Hi, I'm Venture Scout Christian Jigs Mystica from the Boy Scouts of the Philippines.
Hello guys, I am Michelle Ekai from Myanmar. I am studying in botany in Washington University. Nice to meet you guys.
Hi, my name is Pradeep Pradhan from Odisha State, Bharat Scouts and Guides, India.
Hi everyone, I am Victimai Das, a ranger of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, India.
Hello, my name is Chitap Mogia from Myanmar Scout Association.
Hello, good morning. I am Jessie Ann M. Posadas from Scout Balinaliano, Abelio, Community Scouting, Pasay City Council, National Capital Region, Boy Scouts of the Philippines.
Hi, I am Gunjan Chaube. I am a member of Bharat Scouts and Guides from India.
And this is Jota Joti Scouts Interview. Each of our scouts will be answering 6 questions about their experience, ideas, and thoughts during their participation in Jamboree on the Air and Jamboree on the Internet 2020. So, the first question is, what is Jota Joti for you?
Is this the first time for me? I thought Jamboree on the Air on the Internet is we can meet each other and everyone try around the world, so it gets friendships, global citizenship and knowledge and overall friends by radio. So it's really good. I like it.
For me, Jota Joti is promote friendship and global citizenship all over the world through scouting, and we can interact with our international scout friends through internet. And main and important thing is we can share our idea, knowledge, and point of view with others, and we can learn life skills and educational activities through this event.
Okay, it's my second time in Jota Joti. Jota Joti is a big platform where I get more knowledge about the world, and it's really a good program because this program has given me lots of new friends from outside of the country. So I really appreciate it and I'm happy for that. Okay.
For me, Jota Joti is more than a digital platform to connect all the scouts around the world. Our global family is bringing our heart getting closer.
Jota Joti for me is an activity that we participate on the internet or air using social media that scouts can participate through the world.
Jota Joti is the largest scout event in the world that enables scouts and guides from all over the world to meet. Jota Joti uses amateur radio and internet. The first Jota took place in 1958 and the first Joti in 1997. The favorite part in Jota Joti to know our scout brother and sisters. It helps us to learn, grow and create a better world.
That's great. Okay. And for our second question is, what is your favorite part in Jota Joti?
Everything I like it, but challenge values and knowledge love is the most I like it.
For me, the favorite part of Jota Joti is international campaign.
Okay, actually in Jota Joti every part is really good, but I like Youth Got Talent part because this part is because it is giving everyone a chance to explore their own talent in the world, so I like it.
My favorite part in Jota Joti is Knowledge Lab, and I can learn sustainable development through diversity and inclusion, Scout Go Solar, Dialogue Saga Stereo Hobby. Some activities in Knowledge Lab are conducted in webinar in Zoom. So I can learn everything I would like to know if I join the webinar in Zoom section. That's really great.
My favorite part on Jota Joti is Youth Got Talent, where me and my brother featured Jota Joti live show 3 Youth Got Talent that performed our video entry.
The favorite part in Jota Joti to know our scout brother and sisters. It helps us to learn, grow, and create a better world.
Wow, that's wonderful. Even my favorite part in Jota Joti is Youth Got Talent because all around the world, scouts show their skills, talents by singing and show their talents around the globe. And even the Knowledge Lab said of our friend in Myanmar that her favorite part in Jota Joti is Knowledge Lab because that's full of knowledge you can learn in that category. That is what it is called, the Knowledge Lab. So our third question is, how do you participate in Jota Joti?
Yeah, I participate Jota Joti as individual at home. Yeah.
I think from Facebook, Madhu sir shared a link from where I participate in this event.
Okay. Before some weeks, I saw a post of World Scouting in my Facebook, and they post a link for registration in Jota Joti. I went to this link and I registered myself.
I participated in Jota Joti with my scout group from Myanmar. We make a Zoom chatting with Japan, India, Malaysia, Philippines, and Vienna Scout, and we share our scouting experience, culture exchange, and entertainment of our talent. That was totally awesome moment with those scouts.
Through the internet, by using my phone to participate in Jamboree on the internet.
Participate in Jota Joti by exploring map and join a series of dialogues, games, live shows, challenge and talent shows while connecting with other scouts.
Wow, that's great. That's great to hear. And for our fourth question, what is interesting things in your country?
Yeah, here is called Lapato, or is called in English is called leaf salad, and it's added chili, sliced tomato, and sausage and lime juice. Yeah, it's so yummy. So and you should try this when you come Myanmar. Name is Mohingar. Every tourist come to here and then they try it fast, and it's so delicious. And it's also the signature of Myanmar traditional food.
I think all things are interesting about India. In India, you can find different type of people of different caste, religion, and culture. That is, I think India is the one and only country where you can find different type of things in one place. That's the beauty of India, that unity in diversity. And the next thing is Indian culture, Indian food system, Indian dressing sense, Indian colorful festivals, Indian religious places, Lord Ram, Lord Krishna, Lord Jagannath, and so many things are interesting. In the recent past, Bear Grylls sir shared an episode of Man vs. Wild with an Indian actor, Akshay Kumar.
Wow, it's really a good question for me. Actually, I am very happy for that because you give me this type of question. I really proud for myself because I born in India. I love my India so much. In India, there is lots of languages, costume, tradition, food, etc. So I am very happy for that because I born in India. I love my country so much.
Myanmar is still known as Koraland, a nation with over 100 ethnic groups. Thanakar is a distinct feature of the culture of Myanmar. It derives from the bark of the tree. For thousands of years, people in Myanmar has been using Thanakars to protect and care of their state. So Thanakar is one of the most interesting things in Myanmar.
The interesting things in the Philippines, there are so many tourist spots like Boracay, Palawan, and many more. and you can enjoy here because the Philippine people here is very compassionate to others. You can also enjoy here because our prices is cheap and worth it.
In India, India is the most diverse nation in the world. The main characteristics of our culture is unity in diversity. The cultural heritage of India is very prosperous, and India is the largest democracy in the world. Thank you.
That's good to hear. To hear your culture is interesting things in your country, like in Myanmar, India, and of course in the Philippines. And for our fifth question is, what is scouting mean to you?
So I hope Scouting is a fun, hands-on learning and achievement that puts a kiss in the middle or the action and purpose for them and for life.
For me, scouting is building self-confidence, how to be a good leader, how to be a responsible citizen, how you can be special from others. I think that's a scouting, and simply you can spread happiness and spread peace through your activities and through social service.
Okay, it's also a good question. Actually, I'm a ranger, so scouting mean to me is service, because a ranger's motto is service. So my service is my motto.
Scouting had taught me who I am and how to be a mature and adaptable person with many people, and give me the chance to learn and grow mentally, physically, and socially, and then give me the chance to explore the adventure in life.
Scouting for me is all about knowledge, friendship, adventure, right path, and citizenship training.
To encourage the physical, intellectual, social, and emotional and spiritual development of young people, so that they can take a constructive place in the society as a responsible citizen.
Wow, that is great to hear, all of you guys. So well done. So, and our last but not the least, sixth question. Do you have any message for the scouts who is watching into our video?
We can communicate with scouts all around the world, so it's great. And the word is the sign languages. So I want to be a part of next Jota Joti again with my new friends. And this is amazing, the first time of me. And thank you.
Stay safe, stay healthy, stay in home, and don't forget to smiling. Keep smiling. Thank you.
As a scout, it is our duty to understand everyone and understand the problem and remove it and make the world a better world. Okay, thank you so much everyone.
I wish all the scouts around the world to be safe from COVID-19, and I hope you can do your scouting movement in life. Thank you.
My message for the person who is watching this video is keep going to your good journey and never give up. Remember, when you're tired, you can rest, but don't ever give up. Keep trying and trying until you succeed. And keep safe during this pandemic.
Thank you, dear Christian. And I want to see you again. Bye bye.
Thank you, Cristiano, for this activity.
Thank you, Brother Jigs, for giving me a well opportunity to share my thoughts about Jota Joti and scouting in the world. Friend Brother Jigs give me some questions about Jota Joti and scouting related, and he told me to share my answer to everyone. So thank you so much.
Once again, thank you very much to our friend scouts, Mei Shun Lei and Shi Chen from Myanmar Scouts Association, Aryadip Pradeep, Dipti Mayudash, Gunjan Chubey from Bharat Scouts and Guides, India. And also to my sister Jessian M. Posadas from Scout Valeriano Abello Community Scouting, Pasay City Council, National Capital Region, Boy Scouts of the Philippines for your time, efforts, and answering the questions about your experiences during the Jamboree on the Air, Jamboree on the Internet 2020 in this Scouts interview. Once again, this is Venture Scout Christian Mystica from the Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Thank you and happy Scouting!